Good afternoon and welcome back to this afternoon's weather. Looking at the temperatures right now, we are close to 70 degrees, but we didn't quite make it there today with a high of 68 right now. Partly cloudy. Those clouds are keeping it a little bit cooler. Gentle winds out of the west-southwest at 5 miles per hour. Those have actually been decreasing as the day has gone on. We did start it with a little bit higher winds, but they've been staying breezy. Now, humidity and dew point are fairly close together, which means we do have that chance for rain coming into our area. We will look at that in just a few. Right now, our averages, we are above average, but we did not quite make it to that 85-degree record. However, 69 degrees for a high today is still very comfortable. Looking ahead on the surface map, again, this is what is coming towards us. We do have a bit of a system moving through. That's what we're going to be experiencing as we go in towards the weekend. We do have rain scheduled for most of this weekend. Again, we do have a little bit of stuff off to our west that's coming into our area. We will start seeing that here in the next few minutes. And we do have, again, plenty of clouds today. However, we have seen the sun break through here and there throughout the day. Hasn't been overcast. We have seen a little bit of sunshine. Temperatures across the area, again, 68 degrees in Macomb, 72 in Beardstown, and 70 in Quincy. We do see some 70s on the board, so we are starting to see those spring-like temperatures. Looking ahead at tonight, we do have temperatures starting to cool off because of this rain that is coming through. Rain follows front lines, rain follows cold front lines. Therefore, we will be cooling off. 43 degrees here in Macomb, 47 in Beardstown, and 48 in Quincy. Looking ahead to tomorrow, again, not as warm as we did see today with 49 as a high, 51 in Burlington, and 50 in Keokuk. So we are cooling off just a little bit, but not quite too cold. Tomorrow night is where we start to see those temperatures dip just a little bit more with 37 degrees for the low. Tomorrow night, 39 for the low in Beardstown and 40 in Springfield. Ooh, we do have a little bit of a shaky cam. That's okay. Looking ahead at tonight, again, 43 degrees for a low. We do have rain coming into the area, so make sure you bring a rain jacket just in case. Those winds are going to start picking up, though, and they're going to be switching from out of the north. Looking into tomorrow, the clicker will work. Evening rain starting into the evening hours on Friday, a high of 49, and with those winds picking up again, a high with 11 miles per hour. Looking at the 5-day forecast again, rain tomorrow, Saturday, cloudy skies, but no rain scheduled. However, we will be keeping an eye on that. Sunday, plenty of sunshine, and Monday and Tuesday will start to warm up just a little bit with sunny skies. A little bit of clouds here and there, though.
Well, 68 degrees today. Whether if we need a jacket or not, I didn't wear one today because it was...
I'm Devin Brooks.
And I'm Ryan Hall with gusty winds today. That's bad news for people on the roads. Storm Team 3's Molly Naslund is tracking the system, and she has a look at the conditions.
Molly, it's windy out there.
It's extremely windy out today, although it's not quite as windy as what we saw yesterday. We have winds out of the south at about 14 miles per hour, temperature at about 70 degrees right now, which is setting up some pretty interesting conditions for some rain that we have coming into our area. Now, this is a very updated radar. Not kidding, I just put this in about 3 minutes ago. This is what is coming into our area. You're seeing these little blips of yellow here and there. That's that heavy rain that is coming into our area just off to our north. This system is still working its way into our area as we speak. We'll bring a more updated radar later on into the show. Ryan, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Molly.
Good afternoon and welcome back, Macomb. We do have some warm temperatures out right now, and yes, we do have those cloudy skies. Winds are out of the south. They've gone down just a little bit, 12 miles per hour. Humidity is up there, and so is that dew point. They're fairly close together. That does hint at the impending rain that we do have coming into our area. With our almanac, we're above average. That is perfectly fine. Above average temperatures for this time of year. We aren't quite at what our record was of 93 degrees, but that's been a while ago. Looking at the radar, again, this is another updated image. There is still some severe storms way, way, way off to the north. A lot of that is actually blizzard activity. We're not going to be seeing any blizzard activity here. We are seeing some of that rain come into our area. So if you're outside right now, you might see some of those sprinkles of rain here and there, or might start picking up. We are keeping an eye on that right now. Again, here's our visible satellite. You can see those clouds moving into the area. This is the rain clouds right here. These are the rain clouds that are coming in through our area, going up into the northeast. Again, we're watching that. This is the system that actually brought it in. As you can see, the rain-snow line, or where that precipitation starts to freeze and turn into snow, way off into the northern part of our country. Again, we're seeing just rain right now. That system is moving through the area, and it's going to be bringing some cooler temperatures as we move in later on in the week. This is the severe outlook that they put in today. We're not in the yellow, we're in the green, which means very low chance for tornado activity, but the possibility is there. Again, looking at the current temperatures right now, 70 degrees in Macomb, 75 in Beardstown, and right in here is where that rain is. That's where that front is, and that's what's bringing in some of those cooler temperatures. 64 in Quincy and 63 in Burlington. Looking ahead to tonight, we're going to start getting cold. 36 degrees for a low in Macomb, 38 in Beardstown, and 37 in Quincy. Tomorrow, fortunately not as warm, 53 degrees in Macomb, 56 in Beardstown, 53 in Keokuk. So we're going to start cooling off just a little bit. Looking at tomorrow night, yes, I'm sorry, we do have those freezing temperatures back in the area. 32 degrees here in Macomb, 36 in Springfield, just a little bit warmer, and 35 in Quincy. Looking ahead at tonight again, so rain will move out of the area, partly cloudy skies with a low of 36 degrees. Those winds are going to start to pick up though, as you can see, northwest at 14 miles per hour. Looking at tomorrow, if the slide will switch, and there it went. High of 53 degrees, and those winds ramp it up west-southwest at 25 miles per hour. And for your 5-day forecast, unfortunately, we're not going to be getting any warmer until Tuesday. We do have those temperatures getting only into the 50s until Sunday. Yes, that is a low of 29. That is a low below freezing. But Monday and Tuesday will start to warm up, and we'll see 72 degrees as a high on Tuesday. So we will be keeping an eye on that.
Absolutely. Is it really going to be 32 tomorrow night?
Yeah.
Come on,
Yeah.
we're doing so good. I mean, I heard up in the north they got some snow up there,
Right.
But you know, oh well, we just got to keep an eye on those temperatures for this week.
Yeah, but you're not worrying too much about tonight.
I'm not worried about tonight. There's nothing that's going to be freezing tonight. We will watch Sunday. We'll get down to about 29, but that could change in the next coming days. We will be keeping an eye on it.
All right.